Ustad Al-Sheikh Al-Professor Abdul Rabb Rais Al-Jamia Manara Al-Alamiya Al-Ustad Jamiatul Dakka فليتفضل مشكورا.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! ইসলামকে স্বাধীন করো।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the world has witnessed the ongoing tragedy in Gaza, where the occupying Israeli forces have turned the land into a graveyard by blocking the entry of food, water, fuel and medicine. They have forced millions into starvation and death. Since October 7, 2023, thousands of women, children, the elderly, journalists and civilians have been killed. Hospitals, schools, universities and mosques have been destroyed through relentless bombardment. Refugee camps, which were the last shelter for many, have been flattened by airstrikes. Even rescue workers have been directly targeted and killed. Gaza has become a slaughterhouse where mass graves are dug daily. This is not a natural tragedy, but a planned genocide. People across Asia, Europe and the Americas have taken to the streets in protest. Bangladesh has also joined this global movement. On April 12, 2025, millions gathered in Dhaka to declare solidarity with the people of Gaza. Today, as the aggression intensifies, we reaffirm our collective commitment. Our voices are their voices, our protest is their protest, and our struggle is for justice. To the United Nations and the international community, given that more than 62,000 lives have already been lost, including 18,000 children. Over 80% of Gaza's infrastructure has been destroyed. The United Nations itself has declared Gaza a graveyard of humanity. The International Criminal Court has issued arrest warrants against Israeli leaders for war crimes. The International Court of Justice has called on Israel to halt acts of genocide. Western powers have prolonged the massacre by supplying weapons and financial aid. We therefore declare the genocide in Gaza must be stopped immediately. Israeli war crimes must be tried in international courts. Not merely a ceasefire, but concrete steps must be taken to end genocide. The lands occupied since 1967 must be returned. East Jerusalem must be recognized as the capital of Palestine. The Palestinian people must be guaranteed the right to self-determination and sovereignty. Sanctions must be imposed globally on Israeli goods, technology, arms and investment. The blockade of Gaza must be lifted to allow humanitarian aid including food, water and medicine. Multinational corporations complicit in supporting the Zionist economy must be blacklisted. Human rights organizations and global media must be granted full access to Gaza. Our comment, Al-Quds is not merely a place, it is at the heart of our faith and identity. Its liberation is not only a matter of history, but also a responsibility entrusted to our generation. We pledge to boycott every product, company and institution that sustains Israel. To prepare our next generation to defend the heritage and dignity of Islam and the Ummah. To raise children who will not hesitate to sacrifice for truth and justice. To remain united and never allow division among us. To strengthen the Palestinian struggle across online and global platforms. To ensure that no corner of the world becomes another Gaza. O Allah, make Gaza as unshakable as a rock against the plows of the oppressors. Ameen.
Amin.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Bangladesh Zindabad. Free, free Palestine.
Free Palestine.
Free Palestine.
Free Palestine.
शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद।
जज़ाकुमुल्लाहु खैरन।